What's good, my beautiful kings and queens? This is Wini, Boansi, your favorite British looked YouTuber. Listen, yeah, I'm filming right by the window. The sun's coming in, skin's glistening. I'm happy, innit? But I hope you guys are all doing amazingly well, just like I am. Just like you can see via the title of today's video. Here we are. So basically, I took out my lock knots over a week ago, maybe almost 2 weeks now. And this is how it's looking like. Obviously, I've got my hair briefly styled because I've just come back from a meeting. I quite like this hairstyle. So I thought, why not do a quick little video basically sharing with you my 3 go-to curly lock styles that I've been rocking over this past week or 2. Because if you follow me on Insta, you would have seen that, you know, I've been jazzing up my hair here and there. I mean, I just love it when locks are curly or wavy or whatever. Like the way that it adds a certain je ne sais quoi to your hairstyle. So yeah, without further ado, here we go. Great, so first things first, I'm gonna let you guys know that for these styles, you are gonna need either one massive hairband. It can be black or it can be, you know, another color of your choice, totally up to you. Or you may need just like a little black band, and I'm gonna explain to you why that is later. So I'm gonna start off with this style. Well, actually, before I get into that, what I like to do is, yeah, you lot know rose water. I like to spritz my hair with rose water like every other day, and especially when my locks are curly, rose water just gives it that extra vim. So first things first, for this first style, we're gonna need one band. Literally flip your hair over. I've got super small hands, so I really struggle to get all my hair into my hands. It's ridiculous, but hey. Then I literally do this, and literally what this is, it's just a messy high bun. There's absolutely no technique to it. So I flip my hairband just around it like this, while my hair is kind of in a bun style. And then this is basically it. And then yeah, you can either leave it like this, or if you want, you can kind of tuck in the edges and stuff. Let me just bring my camera up. So literally like this, hoping that my camera does it well. This is literally how it looks like. An alternative, like I have stated, is you could just, you know, tuck in all of the edges, but that's absolutely optional. I did rock it, I think last week, where I had tucked in the edges so you couldn't see any of it, and it was just the bun at the top. So yeah. Now my second go-to style when my locks are curly is the one that I had at the start of this video. Hopefully I can recreate it. So when my locks are like this, I literally, doesn't have to be a neat side, but like kind of like, what's this word, it's not a straight line, but like a side parting. So I'll have my locks like this, like so, and then I just kind of gently sweep it away from my face, and then I might have like a few locks here. Literally tie it back lightly whilst gently pulling this side forward, and then I would grab a couple locks from this side, and rather than using my actual locks to just hold the hair, I don't really like doing that unless I really have to, because I feel like having it like so basically is damaging for your locks. So I'll just use like a small band like this. Again, it's black. The reason why I use black is because it just blends in better with my hair than, you know, another color hairband. And then I just literally tie it together like this. I'll do it about either 2 or 3 times. On this occasion, I'm going to do it 3 times. And then that's basically it. So then that way, my hair is out of my face. For example, like today's a hot day. I don't really want hair to be all up on my face like that. And then I can just style it like this. If you want this side to be a bit more smoother, which sometimes it normally is, but because I'm doing it on camera, it's coming out somehow, you can do that. But then literally in turn, all you do is just put the rest of your locks to each side like that, and I feel like this creates like a very sophisticated look, like whether it's a date night, whether it's work, or maybe you're going to a meeting. or an interview, you know, you can just go for this look, and looks like so. I just like it because, you know, all the curls just be like dangling here. I just absolutely like this look. Obviously it's up to you how forward you want to bring this. If you want to bring like your hair a bit more so that it's proper, almost covering one eye, you know, back in the day when we all used to slick our hair down like that, if you want that kind of look you can do it, but this is basically how it's looking like. For our final look, yeah, right, I'm gonna get an extra big band because it just kind of helps me out a little bit. What you need to do is basically you need to divide your hair, so there's gonna be half at the top, half at the bottom. If that makes any sense. So literally you just divide it. I hope my camera's capturing it well because obviously I can't see. Divide your locks like so. Basically use a band to keep the bottom part down so that you don't get the two kind of confused if need be. If you're obviously a pro, then you don't need to really follow this step. This step is optional. But then literally with this other band, you're just going to again do a high bun. You can either do a high bun or you can just tie it up into a ponytail so that your hair flows down. That's optional as well. But yeah, do it like so. I do my high buns quite weird. I'm looking at the monitor in case if this looks really weird. But yeah, do it like so. You can adjust your kind of bun to suit how you want it to look. Flip it over again. I don't like to do my high buns too tightly, especially if I'm gonna rock it all day. Yeah, and then literally it is a bun, but you know, it's got a little bit of a half moon shape, if we're gonna call it like that. Sometimes I do kind of use some of my locks to wrap it around so that you don't see the hairband. So like how I've got these two here, I will just wrap it around my band like so, and then tuck it in at the back like this. Hopefully you can see it. So it's just tucked in like that, and then I'll just readjust it. Remember, when you're doing your buns and stuff, you can readjust it accordingly however you want. You can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can make it messier, you can have like certain looks coming out of the bun, totally up to you. And then the bottom part I just take out so that it's just like this, you know what I'm saying? Isn't that cute? I do like this look. I've noticed that quite a few of you have also been messaging me asking if I've dyed my locks. I don't know why it is, because I'm looking at the monitor as I'm filming and my hair looks really black. In person, it's not like so at all. In person, you actually can see my brown ends more, and my natural hair is not deep jet black. You can see the kind of dark brownness of it. It's really weird because now I'm getting it. It really looks like I've dyed it, but guys, I haven't dyed my hair for a good maybe 2 years now. But yeah, so anyway, this is how the style is looking. And yeah, I believe that's basically my 3 quick lock curly styles. Obviously your locks don't have to be curly for you to rock these styles. You can rock these styles with straight locks, no problem at all. I just thought, just in case maybe you've got a twist style, or you've curled your locks, or whatever that it is, you've had a styling and you've taken it out and your locks are curly and you're feeling a little bit you don't really have any lock style ideas, I thought why not just do this quick video and show you guys. But yeah guys, if you have any video suggestions, any lock video suggestions, hit me up. I'll be more than happy to do them for you. But yeah, until my next video, take care, be good.